For your reference, let Nishu takes X days, then what happens? Pintu will take X plus 6 days to complete the same work, because Pintu takes 6 days more than Nishu. So we consider that Nishu takes X days and Pintu takes X plus 6 days. How much work they do in one day? So here, work done in one day. So work done in one day. So Nishu will do total work is 1 and number of days X for Nishu. Same way, Pintu will complete 1 upon X plus 6 days, 6 work in one day. Now further, your question says if they work together, means Nishu and Pintu are working together. So you can add 1 upon X and 1 upon X plus 6. So that will be work done by Nishu and Pintu. So they finish the same work in 4 days. So it takes 4 days for them to complete this work. So how much work they are doing in one day if they work together? So that we need to find out, because this 4 is actually 4 day they take together. So if Nishu and Pintu are working together, they can complete the work in 4 days. But we need how much work they can complete together in one day. Because here we have work done by Nishu in one day, work done by Pintu in one day. So we need amount of work done by Nishu and Pintu together in one day. So here I'll write together they will do 1 upon 4 work in one day. Now, according to this given condition, how many days would it take to complete the work if they work alone? This question is actually, this question copied 2 times, so I just delete this part. Okay. Now, according to this expression, if they work together they finish it in 4 days. So according to given condition, one upon x work done by Nishu in 1 day plus work done by Pintu in 1 day. So this is work done by Nishu and Pintu 1 day together, which is 1 by 4. Now this is your equation. Now we can simplify this equation to get the quadratic equation. I'm going to simplify this left hand side. So simply I can multiply this x plus 6 with 1. So it will remain as x plus 6 plus x into 1 will remain as x, and they will multiply together. So x into x, that is x square, plus 6 into x will give me 6x, is 1 by 4. Now x will give you 2x plus 6 upon x square plus 6x, is 1 by 4. Now we have two fractions, and in between them there is equal sign, so we can cross multiply them. So x square plus x into 1 will remain as x square plus 6x. 2x plus 6 into 4. So 4 2s are 8x plus 24. Now we can simplify this equation as, we can arrange this equation: x square plus 6x minus 8x minus 24 is equals to 0. So x square minus 2x minus 24 is equals to 0. So this is your resulting quadratic equation. Now we can find the factors of this equation to get the value of x. X is work done by days taken by Nishu to complete the work. So we need two linear factors for this. Which can be taken as so minus 24 we have. Their sum should be minus 2. Um, there are two puzzles in waiting room, and I'm not going to allow any one of them. Faisal. नहीं puzzle है, it's puzzle. Khan puzzle. Both are first. One is left. I can take 6 fours are 24. 6 fours are 24. We need negative 24 and negative 2. So what I can do, I can take -6 and +4. Yes. So this will become x square minus 6x plus 4x minus 24. In first pair, we have x as common factor, so x minus 6. Here we can take out plus 4 as common factor. So you will left with x minus 6 again, 0. X minus 6 is one factor and x plus 4 is another factor, is equals to 0. So x minus 6 is 0 or x plus 6 is equals to 0. So x minus 6 will become plus 6 or x minus 6. Since x stands for number of days and days cannot be negative, so x minus 6 is not acceptable. Both are 6. Minus minus 6 and plus 4. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so here we have x minus 6 and x plus 4. So x is minus 4. Since number of days cannot be negative, therefore x minus 4 is not acceptable. So x is 6. And question was about, this is your question, how many days would it take to complete the work if they work together? So if they work together, so x is what? X is number of days taken by Nishu and x plus 6 is number of days taken by Pintu. Correct? So how much days it will take to complete if they work together? So we have x as 6 and then we can find out uh, number of days taken by Pintu also. So therefore Nishu will take x days, 6 days to complete the work. And the other person is Pintu. Pintu will take x plus 6 days. X plus 6, that is 6 plus 6, which will become 12 days. So Nishu will take 6 days to complete this work and Pintu will take 12 days to complete this work. And this is solution for this question. Hope it is clear to everybody. If you have any question, any query, any doubt, you can ask. Just a minute.